an seans agus a Somália bhfuil ráha AIG Cúl na Bliana a fiocha. Fioch an cuiste ránathe an trí chúla bear dar linn. Má aontaíonn de ráha linn, bé de sead dearbhán €200 óníal sa bhuachans a bhuichas go AIG Insurance. Piuch de ráha in áras 3, 2 agus 1 agus té go tg4.ie/AIG.
Fight Ike Washing McCarthy. McCarthy Gara Trasna pass took Ike Joe Howard in the other shot well Hamuin Khan Tresh of her house Kadé mar Hachtanir O Hybridorn had do shake Hashi their close score.
I tell you, Galway are a little bit playing some high-risk strategy coming out of the fence, but they've got away with it on this particular occasion. In any case, Louise Ward is the lady now who brings it forward. And now here's Olivia Diffley. Look at her move on the 45, in again towards Tracy Leonard. Tracy Leonard from Carafin, as we mentioned, a player that's been such a provider, such a focal point on the attack. Could be a possibility of a goal. Brilliantly dispatched into the corner of the net. It was Louise Ward. When you need a captain to step up to the plate, Louise Ward does it in style. Galway are dominating Monaghan at the moment, but still Monaghan are not going to give up here without a fight, and still they come forward. And here's possibilities for Ellen McCarran again. Eventually the shot comes in. Oh, what a goal! Sent into the back of the net. It was the number 23, Therese McNally, who was on the end of the move and finished it majestically past the Galway goalkeeper.
Is how Desha Carvadian, so Desha get Horky Carvadia, I guess Shin Border than Sconson, I guess there's Shanoonin.
Nish Bashan Tover Spashan, so I get Aoife McCoy Carcalor, Ross Keen, I guess a Rish to Blahin Mackin nach last year than Bell. Agus tá seansan tá más féidir an pasúr, tá an pastor an sa, an chéad in y cwrdd tá sé sin, tríoch dúil mar chúl.
Cadé mar cúl, cadé mar immer dó Aoife McCoy, agus an sin na Hána Kelly Mellon agus an sin an Cosh Céim agus an Craig ó Amy Mackin. Cadé mar imróir.
Kick amach búirte get Black agus tá sé de stigar éis de Cole Owens, trasta go dtí Carla Rogues an bouta sa. Gan hen chaine bhar faointe ce an báid a fachta a réiste get Black Lia, tá tinne a grechan acu.
Gan éon áras, fuair siad cúil den scáil.
Wall a trowel in, Shachuin, Vicky Wall, has she did a Shachar Voida, Lauren McCormick, Vicky Wall, Isha! Cadé mar Voida!
Oh, rós ar fad agus mar ó seachna sí ag déanamh obair na gapal agus an son fuór Vicky an líród agus an ré éonar agus an Cosh Céim agus an Craig gachród just rós ar fad.
Seachún Ciarán Sullivan agus de Black Lia tuigh siad go maith gan na kickan na séir a chéile de sin nach beidir go bhar kick séir. Ná is seo i chéile mar Hans. Rámteach pointige Áine Sullivan as a líon tán a le héad a hasach de chorca cháine mehe.
Cadé mar Craig ó Áine Sullivan ach ag crutha go daine Ciarán Sullivan tá sé anna láidir agus í ag dul ar hurt agus sin Craig úntaach agus tús úntaach go chorcaí.